Muchukunda was blessed by Krishna to become a Brahmin in his next life. Remember? Everyone forgot. Everyone forgot, and I almost forgot. He didn't forget. Panditji, there's, yeah. Okay, we're talking about Krishna blessed him to become a Brahmin. We're talking about mukti, and prema is higher than mukti, and mukti means elevation. The varnas, elevation. Finally, Brahman mukti or prema mukti, something like that. So he blessed him to become a Brahmin. Who did he become? So my Sri Pandit Baba, he told me, because he's 80 years doing bhajan in Vrindavan, he said he heard from all the old sadhus, Priya Sharan Das Babaji, from Advaita Das Babaji, from Ramakrishna, Pandit Ramakrishna Baba, the famous from Bhagavat Nivas. His Tirobab, Pandit Ramakrishna Baba, his Tirobab every year is celebrated for 8 days in Bhagavat Nivas. There's a bundle there. Every sadhu from every sampradaya comes to glorify him, his erudition, his scholarship. Ramakrishna, Pandit Ramakrishna Baba. So my Gurudev associated with all of them because he lived 10 years in Vrindavan when he came as a young man studying Sanskrit, and he lived there. So he said, from them I have heard this, that Muchukunda, in his next life he became a Brahmin, and his name was Jayadev Goswami, who lived 1,000 or 1,100 years ago and wrote Gita Govinda. So Krishna, because he said, oh Krishna, I want to come with you. You know, I want to be your devotee. I want to be all your lilas. He said, don't worry, I'll bless you. You'll get everything. So he became Jayadev Goswami, according to what is the Praman? It's the Sadhavani, the Brijbasi Sadhavani of the Babajis. And so we accept it. So my Gurudev I said, so Gurudev, we can, because I heard him speak this in a Bengali Bhagavad Kartik 2017. My Gurudev, that was his last kata. Big, public kata. 2017, he gave 30 days Hari Kata in Kartik Maina in Radhakund at Hari Charan's ashram. And it was in Bengali, and I understand pretty much the Bengali. And mostly it's all Sanskrit verses. So he spoke that, and we heard that, because we were taking notes in English. We heard that, huh? So later I met him personally. I said, Gurudev, you said this? And he told me this whole thing. I said, wow. So that's a nice elevation from a Kshatriya king in the higher planets, a Vaishnav king, Narayan Bhakta, fighting on behalf of all the devatas, and then being blessed by Krishna, become Jayadev Goswami, and enter the Nitya Leela of Radha and Krishna as a Sakhi.